Hello guys, my name is Aftab and today we will learn server variables. So basically, what is server variables? Server variables have we can retrieve name of the server, directory of server, documentary. We need know about the all information about the servers where execute your PHP code. So we need like information, right? We need sometimes we are hitting by IP, right? And sometimes we need by host like this. Suppose here we're in index file from IP, and we can also hit from like host name like this. So this is different ways we are using. So we need we can use directory or maybe some further information we need to be execute. So this is very important in PHP. So start from right, we can open the directory and begin going to PHP, and we can use any variables and server variables, right? Server variables. Server variables spelling mistake. Okay. So we are open this file in here. So this is no need for any, right? So first of all, we can write. We need echo. We can here server server details, right? Details. Okay. So first one is server name. How to find server name? So this is like server, and we can print from here server. We can use the capital server underscore name, right? We can here like echo. We can run this file. We can check what is the status of the variables, right? Inside PHP and here. Yes. Okay. So this is very simple. Okay, we can put it from here break line because easily understand what is what here. So this is server details, localhost, and same thing we can here we can use by IP. So we can check what is C. This is the localhost because I'm already using from here in host file. In host file, I define the name, right? Wait, because I'm defining here AITC host, right? Because I'm already defined here host name. That's the reason printing both of areas localhost, right? So no issue. So this is how to get like server name from here, and the same thing we can the server directory. So this is we can copy from here, right? And we can paste from here. We can use here server address, right? We can put again. So server address is port 1, right? And same thing we can use again. One more thing we can use. One more name is server root. Server root. No, not. I'm sorry. This is not server root. This is server port. So basically, we are using port. Which port we are using the 8080. So this is, we can see from here. We are going to here, etc and Linux configuration, right? No, from here we can use the server and available from here. This is Linux configuration. We are using the listening port 8080, right? So that's the reason the printing port 80, right? This is, and one more thing, have like a server variable document root, right? So we can also use this copy and paste from here. We can use from here is document root, right? So we can print from this is also, because we are using directories var www var www html, right? Same thing here. So also see here, we already defined the root directories var www html, right? So we can easily understand, we can easily get information what is your directory server, what is directory in your server, where is execute your PHP code, right? And same thing, we have another things we can easily get is from here, the remote address. So you can easily remote address, right? We can also print this. This is also one because we, this is default server localhost. Otherwise you can define anything. So also print. And one more is remote port, and you can also use this here is remote port, right? So you can print this. So port is, remote port is this 43672, right? And same thing you can use. Another one is request URL, right? So request URL. So you can print from here. Nothing. URL maybe yes. Request URI. So you can define your, because this is our request URL and this is also request URL, right? And you can same thing you can use one more you can use, the name is request time. So you can use also request time, right? So this is also request time, this is time, so you can convert in normal format, right? If you don't know how to convert is Unix time to normal format, so you can learn our see video. In previous video I we are already discussed about the Unix format to how to convert is R format, right? And one more thing, so you can check the request method, right? Thank you so much, and finish this video. Definitely we will cover next videos, next thing. Thank you so much.